Good day everyone, I am Lenny, one of the Technical Specialist Manager in ICT. I am here to give you some tips in getting the right IT career pathway for you, leading your way up to success. Now, let me give you our target objectives for today's webinar. What are your career goals? Skills gap reality, top certification to get you hired, cybersecurity issues, value of IT certifications, and IT career roadmap. Now, in choosing your career pathway, you should have to answer the question, what are your career goals? A career choice has to be your decision. The very first question is, what is your interest and habits? And then you must have a checklist at first. Next is education, followed by your motivation, level up to success, going to your career ladder, and must have defined your goals and redefining your strengths and weaknesses, and will all take you up to your qualifications. We all know that IT is everywhere. It takes IT to fly in aeronautics, in medical technology, even in the music industry. And above all, we are all dependent in technology. We have at least two, three, or more gadgets. And then also in the manufacturing industry, milling, robotics technology, and even in electronics. It takes IT to move an electronic vehicle, a drone, and also a self-driving car. The global technology transformation is ITs everywhere. IT transformation consists of the following: the IoT, cloud computing, and security, having the edge, fog, and then the cloud for our data centers. So now many businesses throughout the world seek improvement on IT skills front. Top areas affected by IT skills gap are the following: staff productivity, customer service, security, innovation, speed to market with the new products and services. And then the top rated IT skills are teamwork, customer service, project management. And then the top rated IT skills in terms of importance to business are the networks, infrastructure, database, server, storage, help desk, data analytics, printers, copiers, multifunction devices, the security and cybersecurity, customer relationship management, and then the web design. The IT skills gap are on the rise. IT workforce remain a top priority for the businesses. Just take a look at the chart of the international summary. It takes 14% in the exact where you want to be with IT skills or the no skills gap. And the other has a bigger percentage of 86% on some degrees of IT skills gap present. This coming from the CompTIA International Technology Adoption. Now, the skills gap reality is this. Many businesses are struggling with IT hiring due to large skills gap in the workforce. There are 1 million IT job openings, and then 58% of the businesses are concerned about the quality and quantity of IT labor available. The skills gap is this. 8 in 10 employers are concerned about the IT skills gap. These are the ways skills gap negatively impact businesses. 52% is the lower staff productivity, 38% lower level of customer service, 33% lower sales for profitability, and then 32% in insufficient speed for new marketing, and then up to 30% inability to keep up the competition. So what's behind the growth and IT skills? Billions in the new IT infrastructure around us are the following: smart cities, transportation system, IoT, 5G wireless, cybersecurity, and then the renewable energy. Certifications are created by the industry for the industry. The competitive edge in the cutthroat job market is that is there a need? industry-wide job task analysis, subject matter experts, perform ongoing maintenance, and it must have been ISO accredited for international standardization. Now, let me show you the boost you need in succeeding your chosen career in IT. Please watch over this video.
IT, one of the most diverse and fastest growing industries in the world. And with elements of IT in almost every industry, the choice of which career to pursue is endless. You could develop the next breakthrough in digital communications, or protect people's data from being sold on the black market, or even help a small startup business get ahead by being more technologically streamlined. And as technology progresses, the IT industry is going to need more and more people to help discover, manage, and secure its capabilities. But there's a problem. Right now, there's a large skills gap between the skills job seekers have and what employers need. And with so many different courses and training options out there, how can you know which one will give you what you need to land a job? So your options are either going in, starting at ground level and slowly working your way up, or taking an internship with a whole bunch of other recruits and hoping you survive the training process. Validating your skills doesn't have to be this difficult. That's where CompTIA comes in. We are the leading provider of vendor-neutral IT certifications in the world. That means we can validate your IT skills across a wide range of technologies. Whether it's in networking, cloud technologies, or security, with a CompTIA certification, you'll get the boost you need to get the job you want now. And because CompTIA certifications are recognized globally, regardless of where you choose to work, you'll have in-demand credentials. With the CompTIA certification, the world is literally your oyster. Contact the CompTIA Academy team at academy@comptia.org to find out how you can get started in IT. For more information on CompTIA certifications, visit certification.comptia.org.
There you have it, and we must all face the reality of the skills gap in the industry. But this is not a problem anymore, for I'll be giving you the benefits for vendor-neutral certification for international standards. It focuses on the methodology and technology concepts. It provides broad foundational skill set for learners. It emphasizes global concepts, and it allows learners to use skills in a multi-vendor environment. Here are the top certifications to get you hired worldwide, and 3 of them comes from CompTIA. On the red ones are the following: CompTIA E+, CompTIA Security Plus, and CompTIA Network Plus. And the other certifications comes from PMP, CCNA, MSSP, and the others. And here are the top 5 benefits of IT certified staff. It has better understand new technologies, more productive, more insightful in problem solving, better project management, and better communication skills. Because all embedded in the vendor neutral certification exam. Now, the CompTIA certifications are endorsed, mandated, and embedded by government organizations, non-corporate organizations, and academic organizations, not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide. The Department of Defense of America has the directive that has adopted CompTIA. And U.S. Department of Defense mandates certifications to ensure government employees have foundation-level knowledge and skills to perform IT job roles. Lack of foundation IT level so they can make directives and adopted for CompTIA certification, and that is A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, and Advanced Security Practitioner. Now let me give you the CompTIA pathway to propel your career. A+ is the entry level of the CompTIA certification, having the focus on the computer hardware and the industry skills level compliance, followed by the Network Plus, having for the networking, and then the Security Plus. Now there are 2 pathways to choose from. The IT infrastructure pathway must have been continue with the Server Plus, Linux Plus, and then the Cloud Plus. And then next would have to cover the cybersecurity pathway that has to continue with the penetration test or the pen test plus, cybersecurity analyst plus, and the advanced security practitioner or the CASP. And the third one would be the professional skills for Project Plus, Cloud Essentials, and CTP Plus. The security issues are we facing in 2022? In some ways, the usual problems, but notice web and malware remains at the top. 20% of attacks is others. Does this mean to you? It has the figure showing 24% taking web application attacks on the security issues. And then the top 3 industries targeted, and these are only means that we must have to get online. And we have 3 of those: security, cybersecurity, data storage, network infrastructure, and up to the e-commerce, and up to the lastly for the data analytics and big data. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that information security analysts will be the fastest growing job category with 18% overall growth between 2012 up to 2022. And then many businesses expect the importance of IT certification to increase over the next 2 years. So from Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, India, Japan, Mexico, Middle East, Thailand, and the UK. So the value of IT certification is a priority to 86% of hiring managers. Is it you? So we have 91% of hiring managers value IT certification. Are you with them? And then 84% of IT professionals stay with their employees after getting CompTIA certified. This is coming from the IDC report. And then the CompTIA certified employees are more knowledgeable, reach job proficiency more quickly, and then perform at a higher level. Here are the IT certification roadmap and explore the possibilities with CompTIA. You just have to follow the color coding on your screen, going to the IT career you want to have. And all listed certifications started with the beginners or the novice level to intermediate to advanced up to the expert level, leading you to your end goal. Now, advancing your career in IT, let's plan your next move in IT career path planning tool. IT career with the IT support specialists have the requirements, skills in the market and in the industry. For the network specialists, cybersecurity specialists, the software and web developers, and then for the data specialists. Now, when it comes to job, hiring on the international standard and vendor neutral IT skills, this is hiring in the Philippines. We have the following posted in the jobstreet.com international. Accenture for IT Security Administration, CompTIA Security Plus is a requirement. SEX Asia for Senior Technical Support Engineer, CompTIA A Plus is a must. Aboitiz for IT Security Specialist, CompTIA Security Plus is a requirement. US Global Incorporated Service Desk Analyst, CompTIA A Plus is an advantage. DSM Service Desk Analyst, CompTIA A Plus is desired. And then also hiring in China for the Fuji Xerox Channel Solution Consultant for CompTIA Cloud Plus is a plus. Hiring in India, Microsoft Data Center Site Operations Manager, CompTIA Network Plus is preferred. A Global's Incorporated Information Security Analyst, CompTIA Network Plus is a plus. Hiring in Indonesia, with the Mitra Utuma Solusi Telematica IT Support CompTIA Security Plus is preferred. Hiring in Japan for IBM for the Security Engineer, CompTIA Network Plus and Security Plus preferable. And then Microsoft for the Technical Advisor, CompTIA Relevant Certifications are a plus. And then also in Japan, Microsoft System Center support with the Windows Platform Engineer, CompTIA certifications are an advantage. And O6, Security Engineer, CompTIA Security Plus is a plus. And then in Microsoft, Support Engineer, CompTIA certification advantages. And then in Korea, Mantech International Corporation for the Field Service Analyst, CompTIA Security Plus is required. Skybridge Tactical Service Analyst, CompTIA Server Plus and Security Plus is required. In Singapore, Hengli Petrochemical International for the IT Support Engineer, CompTIA A Plus is an advantage. And then Booz Allen Hamilton, Cybersecurity Architect Senior, CompTIA Security Plus is a plus. And then in Microsoft Data Center Technician for CompTIA Network Plus is desired. WW Technology Service Desk Analyst, CompTIA A Plus is preferred. ST Engineering Cybersecurity Manager, CompTIA Security Plus is required. And in HP Security Solutions Expert, CompTIA Security Plus is an elective. And then hiring in Taiwan, Unisys for Field Engineer 3, CompTIA A Plus and Network Plus. HP Cybersecurity Lab Security Management, CompTIA Relevant Certificate. And then hiring in Thailand, SISB Public Company, System Administrator for CompTIA A Plus is preferred. And then hiring in Vietnam, Vit and Enviro Technology, IT Help Desk CompTIA Relevant certificates are a plus. And then in the US, Booz Allen Hamilton for the System Administrator in the US, CompTIA Security Plus is required. Northrop Grumman, Windows System Administrator, CompTIA Security Plus is preferred. And in IBM, Senior Windows Administrator for CompTIA Security Plus is required. Newberry Group, Cybersecurity Analyst, CAS Network Plus, Security Plus, Linux Plus is required. It pays to be in IT. IT occupation delivers more than 2 times the median salary of non-IT jobs. Source coming from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now we have some testimonials here having their CompTIA certification says that CompTIA A Plus is a ticket to a brighter future. This all means that the CompTIA certification is a ticket to a higher salary. And then another testimonial says that this only means the CompTIA certification has worldwide recognitions of skills. Here are the sample of CompTIA certificate that you can use for 3 years validity. And then here is the sample of the CompTIA ID as a proof of a certified individual. Now, in narrowing the IT skills gap, the reality is this: we learn, we get certified, and we work. And it never stops because IT will continue the cycle on learning, get certified, and work again and again with the technology. I will end the session by giving you this quote. At the end of the day, it all boils down to certification being an internationally recognized credential. If you can put that on your resume, you'll have a competitive advantage over another individual who doesn't have it. By Mark Milton, Director of People Services, Career Academy, Goodwill Industries. You may contact us through our mobile phones and email together with Mr. Raynel Absidy. For any concerns, just visit our website www.hightechpower.net. Follow us on our Facebook page at Hightech Power Incorporated, and YouTube at Hightech Power Inc., and Instagram at Hightech Power Inc_official. Again, I am Lenny Rodriguez, a Technical Specialist Manager in ICT, saying thank you and have a great day.